You're watching RV Road Report, the channel where we explore real motorhomes, real builds, and real road life experiences. If you love RVs, camper vans, and motorhomes that are actually usable in real life, you're in the right place. Today's star is the Ram 1500 motorhome, customized for long journeys, off-road confidence, and comfortable living. This is not a showroom toy. This is a road-ready beast. Exterior front view. Right in front of us, standing proudly in the company showroom, is the Ram 1500 motorhome with that bold Ram logo dominating the front. The vibrant white body gives it a clean, premium look, while the muscular grille and headlights remind you that this is still a Ram truck at heart. Those rugged long body proportions instantly tell you this motorhome means business, strong, confident, and built for serious road trips. Topside view. Now, let's look at the top side because this is where smart RV living begins. You can clearly see solar panels mounted cleanly on the roof, giving you off-grid power wherever you park. There's a roof antenna for connectivity on the move, and an external AC unit designed to keep the interior cool even in extreme weather. Everything is neatly installed. No clutter, no shortcuts. Backside view. Moving to the backside, practicality takes center stage. There's an extra spare tire, perfectly mounted for emergencies, and a cycle carrier, carefully adjusted so it doesn't interfere with doors or rear visibility. This setup is perfect for adventure lovers. Drive the motorhome, park it, and explore nearby trails on your bicycle. Side view. From the side view, this Ram 1500 motorhome really shows its lifestyle vibe. That you'll notice a side-mounted tent/awning, creating a shaded outdoor sitting area. This is where mornings start with coffee and evenings end with stories. The IT turns your motorhome into a mobile outdoor lounge. Perfect for campsites, beaches, or mountain stops. Driving compartment. Let's step inside the driving compartment. The driver and passenger seats are comfortable, commanding, and designed for long hours on the road. You get two LED screens, one main display and one dedicated to rear and backside camera view, making reversing and parking much safer. This cabin feels like a truck, but thinks like a motorhome. Sitting and sleeping area. Just behind the driving compartment is the sitting and sleeping area. During the day, it works as a sofa setup, perfect for relaxing or eating. At night, it easily converts into a comfortable bed. The layout is smart, compact, but not cramped, making full use of every inch without feeling boxed in. Kitchen area. Right next to the sitting and sleeping area is a small but functional kitchen. You get space for basic cooking, storage cabinets, and enough counter area to prepare meals on the road. This kitchen is designed for real travelers, quick breakfasts, warm dinners, and late-night tea after long drives. Portion 9. Washroom now. Let's talk about the washroom, adjusted cleverly in a small space that IT includes the essentials. A compact toilet, wash basin, and enough room to freshen up. Comfortably in a wasted space. No unnecessary luxury. Just clean, practical design for life on the move to SO. This is the Ram 1500 Custom Motorhome. Rugged, practical, and built for serious road adventures. Now let's talk numbers. Depending on customization and region, the price can vary, but this is clearly a premium motorhome build designed for people who value freedom and reliability. I want to know your opinion. Would you travel in this Ram 1500 motorhome? What would you change or add? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget, force them a like, share, subscribe, and comment. Minibus fire.